Ever been caught in a situation where you needed to pay for something, but you didn't have cash or your card on hand? Well, worry no more. Today, we're going to dive into the world of GrabPay and how it can revolutionize your payment experience. GrabPay is a digital wallet that's seamlessly integrated into the Grab app. It's like having a virtual bank account that you can use to pay for a wide range of services, from food delivery to rideshare. Setting up your GrabPay account. Before we get into the fun stuff, let's make sure your GrabPay account is all set up. If you haven't already, download the Grab app from your app store and sign up for an account. Once you're in, look for the GrabPay section and follow the simple steps to activate it. Funding your GrabPay wallet. Now that your account is ready, let's add some funds. You can top up your GrabPay wallet in a few ways. Cash. Simply visit a nearby GrabPay partner store, show your GrabPay QR code, and pay cash. Credit or debit card. Link your card to your GrabPay account and transfer funds directly. Bank transfer. If you prefer, you can transfer money from your bank account to GrabPay. Using GrabPay for rideshare. One of the most popular uses of GrabPay is for paying for rideshare services. When you book a Grab ride, you can simply select GrabPay as your payment method. After your ride, the fare will be automatically deducted from your wallet. GrabPay for food delivery. Hungry? GrabPay can help you satisfy your cravings too. When you order food through GrabFood, you can pay using GrabPay. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy your favorite meals without the hassle of cash or card payments. Paying bills with GrabPay. Did you know you can also pay your bills using GrabPay? Many utility companies and other service providers accept GrabPay payments. Just look for the GrabPay option when making your payment. GrabPay cashback and rewards. One of the great things about using GrabPay is that you can earn cashback and rewards. Grab often runs promotions and offers that allow you to earn points or discounts on your purchases. GrabPay security. Security is a top priority for GrabPay. Your wallet is protected by advanced security features, including fingerprint or facial recognition authentication. You can also enable two-factor authentication for added security. So there you have it. GrabPay is a convenient and secure way to make payments. Whether you're ordering food, taking a ride, or paying your bills, GrabPay has you covered. With its easy-to-use interface and numerous benefits, GrabPay is a must-have for anyone who wants to simplify their payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.